Hi, Dudu. Good morning. Good morning, Dudu. Hi, Dudu.
老师招招手嘛，老师给你招手，你把手抬到
Are
最上
you
面，看得
okay,
到。
Dudu?
Okay. Okay.
Yes, you are. That's good. Now, let us start our class directly. Okay, let me share my screen and we will be naming these pictures again. Dudu. Okay, so can you tell me first what letter is this? It's the letter. What letter is this
Duduk,
one?
duduk.
U.
Iya.
U. What letter is it, Dudu?
Hmm.
You
Sifu.
thinking, Dudu?
Iya.
It's U. Can you say U?
Iya.
What about this one? What letter is it? What letter is this, Dudu?
Oh, S.
Yes, it is S. Now, what about this one? What letter is it?
B.
Very good. What about this? It's.
X. X.
What about this one? What letter is it, Dudu? It's Y. Y. What about this? What letter is it, Dudu? It's the letter T. T. Yes. What about this? What letter is it? What letter is it, Dudu? Dudu? What what letter is this one, Dudu? Are you still sleepy? Are you still
Bencilo.
sleepy?
Yeah.
Z. Okay, can you say Z? And this one, Dudu, what letter is this? It's, oh, you don't know. It's W. W. Okay. Now, let us name the pictures given here, Dudu. What's this? It's a, what is it, Dudu? Wolf. Okay. It's a wolf. Now, what about this one? Do you know? What's this?
Yes.
It's a yo
Good.
yogurt. Okay, very good. Wait, let me write that for you. Yogurt. Now, next one. What about this? What is it? It's a wax. 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 Okay. It's a wax. Wax. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, let us have this one. Dudu, can you remember this picture? What is it, Dudu? It's a? What is that? Is that an umbrella? What's that, Dudu? Umbrella? Okay. Now, moving on. What is it, Dudu? Look at the picture, Dudu. It's a tent. Tent. Tent.
Thanks.
Okay, yes. It is a tent. Wait, let me write it as well. Now, what about this one? What is it? It's a... What do you think? Can you remember it, Dudu? Can you remember it? No, you can't. Can you say that? Are you sleepy, Dudu?
No.
No. So, can you tell me again, Dudu? What's this? It's a... It's a van. Van. Yes, it is a van, Dudu. What about this? What is it?
Turtle.
So, very good. T is for turtle. Now, what about this one? What is it, Dudu? It's a... You're still sleepy. Okay, it's
No.
a vest. Okay, vest. Next one, Dudu. Where are the animals, Dudu? Where are the animals? They're at the zoo. Zoo. Yes, the animals are at the zoo. Now, what number is this, Dudu? What number? It's it's
It's 6.
six. Very good. It is six. Now, who is this one, Dudu? Who is it, Dudu? It is Uncle. Uncle. It's Uncle. Now, what about this one? What's this, Dudu?
Seal.
Seal. Very good. It is a seal. Now, what about this one? What is it, Dudu? We drink this one, Dudu. It's
Water.
water. Okay, very good. Water. Okay, what about this one, Dudu? How about this? What's this? Zip,
Eat.
zipper, zipper. Okay, zipper, Dudu, zipper. Now, what are these, Dudu? Don't sleep, don't sleep. Dudu, what are these? You're so cute, Dudu. What are these, Dudu? These are socks.
Socks.
Socks. Yes, that is correct. We have here socks, Dudu. Okay. Now, next one. What's this? It's a, you know this one, Dudu, right? What's this?
Okay.
Yo,
Good.
yo,
Yo.
yo. Yes, it is a yo-yo, Dudu. Yo, yo. And the last one. You know this one too. What is it? He is an, look at the screen, Dudu. He is an, um,
Back.
fire. Wait, you are kidding. Okay, it is an umpire. Very. Now, Dudu, let us connect it just like this, Dudu. See, it starts with a W, Dudu. And here is W. So from here, we will go there. W. What about this one, Dudu? V. Can you connect it? Connect it, Dudu. V. Here is V, Dudu. V.
V.
Yes. Can you connect it? Can you match it just like this, Dudu? Just like this. 1.
One.
What about this one, Dudu? See, we have S. S is for 6. Now we have S here. Can you connect it, Dudu? Can you match it? Where is your pen, Dudu? Where is your pen? Dudu. Can you connect it like this, Dudu? Look at teacher. S going down to this one. Dudu. What are you doing, Dudu? Now, can you tell me what letter is this? It's the letter
V.
Z. And here is Z, Dudu. Look, we have Z here. So we'll connect this to the word Dudu. Now, next one, Dudu, we have Y. Y. Can you get your pen and match it to the word, Dudu? Like this, Dudu. 1. See, going to the letter Y right here. Y and then Y. What about you, Dudu? Can you answer this one? T. T. Can you
E.
connect it? Yeah. Can you match it, Dudu? Can you match it? Let me see. Oh, wait. You are connecting it all? Okay, wait. Let me see. Oh, okay. Now I see it that you are connecting it all, Dudu. But we will not connect it all, Dudu. We will not match everything here. We will only match the first letters, Dudu, if they have the same letter. Wait, just like this, Dudu. Okay, for a moment, Dudu. Just like this. W. See, we have W. And the wolf starts with a W. And Okay. What are you doing? What are you drawing, Dudu? Uh-huh. What's that? What is that, Dudu? Is that a web? Is that a web, Dudu?
Not
Okay, so we have here W is for wolf, W is for water. So we will connect wolf going here, Dudu, and we'll find the lowercase w, which is in here. So we will match them together. See? Uppercase W. W is for wolf. W is for water. And the lowercase w. Okay. Now, what about for this one, Dudu? Let me see. Yes, it's going here, right? V. Okay. You are making a house. You are making a house. I thought you are answering, Dudu. Okay. So, is this your house, Dudu?
now.
No, it's not your house. Okay. Mhm. We have there the door, the window. Dudu, where is the window? Yes. And the roof will look like this, Dudu. Okay. Here is the roof, Dudu. See, it's nice. Really nice. And the window. Window. Okay. Your house is nice, Dudu. Very nice. See? And here is Dudu. Here is Dudu. I don't know how to draw it, Dudu. Okay. Oh, you're erasing it now. Okay. Now, Dudu, going back. Dudu, going back. Let us have this one. So, again, W. We have here the wolf, right? Okay, so we will connect it, Dudu, going to water. Okay, water and another W in here. Okay, now what about for you, Dudu? We have here uncle, right? Uncle. Can you connect it? You to uncle? Uncle? Can you connect it, Dudu? Connect it, Dudu. What are you drawing there, Dudu? Mm-hmm. What's that? Okay, in here, Dudu, we have U is for uncle. U is for uncle. U is for umpire. Umpire. Okay, so we'll connect it to you right here. Umpire. Umpire. Okay,
Umpire.
next one. Yes. Next one, do we have S? S is for, what are these? Socks. Socks. S is for socks. Socks. Okay, S is for socks. S is for seal. Yes, that's right. Here is the letter S. So we will go up there, Now, next one we have V. V is for, what's this one again, It's a
Uh, I don't know.
van. It's a
Van.
van. Yes. So from here, we will connect it here. And where's the other V? V is for vest. 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 Okay, and we will connect it all the way here. And where is the lowercase v, Where is the small v, Small v. It's here. Okay. V. Okay, so we will go down there, Next one, we have X. Okay, X,
X.
Yes. Now, we have here 6. Okay, 6. It has
X.
the sound. Okay, so we will go here, and we also have wax in here, wax. It has the sound. Okay, wax and sticks. And now we will go to the letter X. Okay. Oh, I see that you want to have the other activity, Can you tell me again, what's this one?
Tiger.
Oh, it is a tiger. Wait, let us name that one then. Okay, we have here a game, and all you have to do is to name everything. Okay, so starting in here, what's this, What's this, It's a, what is it? It's a spider's web. Okay, it's a web, web. Now, what about this one? What is it, It's a
Shoulder.
soap. Soap, Soap. Soap. Yeah, it is a soap. Now, what about this, What's this one? It's a. Are you drawing a house? Are you drawing a house, Wait, let me cover the screen. The entire screen, so you can draw your house. Okay. Do you want to draw your house, You can draw it like this, Like this. Wait, let me change my pen. 1. Oh, okay, that is your side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, see, we have a big house, Dudu. A
Masuk ko na ba?
big
Nasa?
house. See, it's
Bicara.
a big house now. And we can put here the door, Dudu. The door is here. And we have a very big window. See, it's a big window, Dudu. Oh, so how many floors does it have, Dudu? Does it have 3 floors? Okay, so we have here the balcony. Okay, Dudu. And while you're making that one, we'll have, okay, let us draw some trees here, Dudu. Some trees, Dudu. Okay, wait. Trees.
Please.
Yeah. And another tree in here, Dudu. Another tree. Wait. And now we have 2 trees. And we can put the swing in the middle. Okay, wait. Let us have an ice blue swing. Swing. Okay, that is our house, Dudu. See, it's really nice, Dudu. Really nice. And we'll have the fruits here. We'll have some fruits.
Food.
Yeah, fruits, Dudu. Or we can as well have mangoes, Dudu. Mangoes. Mango. Okay. Now, Dudu, let us return to our class now. Wait, what? Oh, you made a ladder. This one, Dudu, it's a ladder.
Ito kasi.
Your house is so high, Dudu. I see. Okay, now let us proceed to our class, Dudu. Going back, can you tell me again what's this one, Dudu? It's a box. Box.
Box.
Okay, it's a box. What about in here, Dudu? Where are the animals, Dudu? Where are the animals, Dudu? They are at the zoo.
Food.
Zoo. Okay, yes, they are at the zoo. Now, what
Seal.
animal is this? Very good. It's a seal. What about her? What's her job, Dudu?
Teacher.
Teacher. Very good. What's this one?
Wolf.
Okay, it's a wolf. Now, what about this one, Dudu? It's a yacht. Yacht. Yeah, it's spelled
Yeah.
like this, Dudu. It's spelled like this, but we pronounce it like this. Yacht. Yacht.
Yeah.
Yes, that's correct. Dudu, yacht. Now, what about, wait. What about this one? What's this? It's a, what is it? Zebra. Very good. Zebra. What about this one, Dudu? It's,
Ib- Ibra.
this one, it's up, up. Now, can you tell me, Dudu, who is it, Dudu? It's, who's this? It's, Dudu.
Uncle.
Yes, it is. Uncle, what about this one? What's this? It's a jam. Jam.
Jam.
Yes, that
Jam.
is correct, Dudu. It's a jam. Now, let us have the other half. What about this? What is it? It's a, what's this, Dudu?
Dodo.
Very good. What about this one? What's this? It's an, you are covering it, Dudu. You are covering it. What's this? It is an umbrella. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Yeah, umbrella. Umbrella. What about her, Dudu? What is her job? She is a, she is a
So,
vet. Okay, she's a vet. What number is this, Dudu? Oh, what number is it, Dudu? Wait. Mhm. Dudu? Dudu? Look at me, Dudu. Look at me. Hi, Dudu. I am your friend, Rabbit. Okay, what number is it, Dudu? It's 6. Very good. What about this one? What's this? It's a, it's a
Sean.
sun. What about this? It's a, it's a
Tiger.
bird. What about
Umpire.
umpire? Very good. Next one, Dudu. What's this? Mhm. Wax. Wax. Wax.
Wax.
Yes. Next one. Zipper. 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 Dudu. Can you say zipper?
Zipper.
Zipper. Yes. What about this one, Dudu? What's this? It's a,
Zip.
this one, the green one, Dudu. It's a
What?
vest. Vest. Okay. Yes, that's correct, Dudu. What about this one?
Wolf.
It's
No,
not
no, no,
a
no.
wolf.
Fox.
Fox, very good. What about this one? It's a tent. Tent. Tent.
And
Okay, yes, that's correct. What about this one? These are, these are, hmm, what do you think? Socks. 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 Can you say it, Dudu? Socks.
socks.
Socks. Yes, very good. What about this one, Dudu? What
What?
is it? Wa water. Yes, water. What number is this, Dudu? What number is this? It's it's Z zero. Zero. Yes, zero. What about this one? What's this? It's a yak. 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 Can you
Yeah.
say it? Yak. Okay. Next one, Dudu. What's this, Dudu? What is it? It's a van. Van. Are you hungry, Dudu? Are you hungry?
No.
No. Okay. What's this, Dudu? What is
Yo-yo.
this? Yo-yo. Very good. What is this? It's a
Violin.
very good. What about this one?
Watch.
Watch. Okay, and we're done, Dudu. Great job, Dudu. Thank you so much for that. So, tomorrow we will have a review of this one again. Okay, so you can eat your breakfast now, Dudu. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Dudu.